Hold it further away, Ray. Well, we found baby. Gotta get him again.
What?
There it is.
He.
Kicking me. Oh, don't touch, bub. Ray.
What do you say now?
Shh, listen.
What do you say now? What do you say now?
What are we listening to?
To the baby. It's so loud.
You can turn it down. Watch. Turn it this way. Not all the way down. There, hold it. Mama, find it again. Hold it up.
This side.
That's fine.
Is this it over here? Is this the baby? Is that the baby?
My tummy.
Is that enough fire?
We want to hear.
What?
Hold it down a little bit further, bub. You're just kind of stretching it out now.
There's soil high.
Shh. Well, I guess that's all for now. We tried.